Yo, what is going on, guys? Welcome back to the YouTube channel. Today's video is a special one, especially if you're in the UK or any country that has Deliveroo. I'm going to be showing you the best Deliveroo discount codes that's going to provide you free food and free credit for your Deliveroo account. And this is so easy, guys. If you've been looking for Deliveroo discount codes, you know there's not many good ones, and if there are, they're very limited for new customers, as well as how much you can save is very small. Today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get $100 or 100 Great British pounds credited to your Deliveroo account, and you can get free food. It's super easy. So I'm going to be recording my mobile phone screen and putting it here so you can all follow along and we can get codes together. So let me just record my mobile phone screen and get into the tutorial. Okay, you should now see my screen. So open up the internet on your mobile phone. I'm using an iPhone, but you can use any device you wish. And I've gone to Google, and you can go to Hot Shot Codes, all one word. You can either go to Google and type in Hotshot Codes and look for the #1 coupon site, or you can go directly to the website simply by typing www.hotshotcodes.com. On this page, guys, you're going to be greeted by tons of different stuff, ranging from discount codes to game codes and glitches, but just scroll down the page, just keep scrolling until you find what you're looking for. So we need to look for the Deliveroo page. So there we go, Deliveroo promo and coupon codes. So tap to open the page. This has been rated pretty highly by hundreds of people. Scroll down and you can see here there are a couple of codes that we can choose from here. There's a £100 or dollars credit towards your next orders at Deliveroo. This is not Uber, this is Deliveroo. And you can see there's also a get your next 3 food orders for free at Deliveroo. So just calculate which one's going to be more beneficial. If you do large orders, then the free food orders are going to be better. If you do smaller orders, then the £100 is going to go a lot further. So tap the show coupon code to get the code that you desire, and you can see this is essentially a $100 or pounds off Deliveroo coupon code. So you apply this coupon code within the Deliveroo app or on the website, and it's just going to credit your account as spendable balance. So you can see we need to unlock the full code, guys. So this is basically a way for the codes to be protected. So press unlock now. Now this is a verification step. You've probably seen this before. If you haven't, don't panic. It's actually really easy to pass. This just verifies you're a real person. So if you're not a robot, you're not going to have any problems here. Complete 2 of the free offers below, and you can see there's a range of applications here and surveys, and we just need to complete 2 of them following the instructions. So you can see, for example, this Argos gift card, fill in your details and confirm. So this is like a survey. So I'm going to click on this one and just answer the questions, and I'll have to input my email address. So let me just do 2 of these. This one is to submit your email and start your free trial. So let me do that. Just need to answer the questions here and input my email and what have you. Just create a free account. So let me just do both of these off camera, guys, because I can see I'm already at 4 minutes. So yeah, I'll be back in a second. Okay guys, so I just completed both of those surveys, making sure I input my correct information, such as my email address and what have you. Because if you try and skip this step or try and trick the system, it's going to know that you're a robot or not a human, or it's going to think you're not a human, and it won't work. So just make sure you fully complete 2 of them. It's pretty easy, and yeah. So once you've done 2 of them, at least 2, so do 2. And then if it hasn't worked, do a 3rd, but it usually works after 2. Go to your tabs, go back to Hotshot Codes, and there you go. It's now given me my unique and exclusive promo code for Deliveroo. I can just simply copy this or write it down, and when I enter this into my Deliveroo promos page, it's going to credit me £100 or whatever your currency is, to spend on anything you want. So that is how easy it is, guys. I think that is by far the easiest £100, dollars, euros, wherever you're from, that you're ever going to earn. It takes a few minutes, and yeah, you can now get tons of free food. You can even choose the free food offer if you prefer. I hope you enjoyed the video, guys. That is how you get your free food and orders and credit for Deliveroo. And if you need any help, just drop a comment in the comment section. I'm always willing to help people out. Hit the like button, and as always, I'll see you in the next video.